Your next TV might outshine OLED, and your Mac might stop supporting your laptop entirely. You're watching Next Byte, quick tech news minus the noise. So Sony is working on something interesting, a new display tech that might actually challenge OLED. Instead of traditional Mini LED, this uses True RGB control for each light zone. That means better brightness without washing out colors. And more importantly, much better midtones, which is where most displays struggle. But here's the real question. Is this finally the OLED alternative that actually feels premium? Now from displays to something that might affect your entire laptop. Apple, it's officially closing the Intel chapter. macOS 27 will only work on Macs powered by Apple Silicon. So if you're still using an Intel Mac, this is where the updates stop. And while that's not surprising, it's still the end of an era. But here's what's interesting. This means Apple is now fully optimized around its own chips. No compromises, no legacy support. From display tech trying to replace OLED to Apple fully committing to its own silicon, the tech world isn't just evolving, it's replacing itself. And this is Next Byte News, where we keep you one byte ahead.